India is not the member of the G7, so why Prime Minister Narendra Modi invited almost every year? The answer is simple, because of India's growing importance in global affairs. This year, G7 summit was held in France, where leaders from the world's major economies gathered to discuss some of the most pressing challenges facing in the world today. G7 summit brings together leaders from the 7 countries. This year, leader focuses on the wars in Ukraine and West Asia, the future of artificial intelligence, global economic stability, supply chain security, public health challenges, and issues such as drug trafficking. As a special invitee, Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in discussion on inclusive global growth and highlighted the concerns of developing nations. He also stressed the importance of cooperation, innovation, and giving a stronger voice to the global south. Modi also held several meetings with world leaders to strengthen the partnerships in trade, technology, investment, and clean energy. India's presence at the G7 shows that the country is becoming an increasingly important voice on the world stage. And while India is not yet member of G7, its influence in global discussion continues to grow. So, do you think India should become a permanent member of the G7? Let us know in the comment section.